In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unenroll from a Udemy course. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's cover how to get a course out of your main learning view. Head to the Udemy website and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, open My Learning. You'll see thumbnails for each course you're currently enrolled in. Locate the course you want to remove from your dashboard. On the course thumbnail, click the three dots, the ellipsis, and choose Archive. Archiving a course hides it from your My Learning page so your dashboard stays tidy. It's a handy option when you're finished with a course or just want to declutter without losing access completely. Keep in mind that archiving does not cancel a paid subscription or automatically request a refund. It only moves the course out of your active learning list. Next, if you're on a paid plan or trial that you want to stop, go back to the website and make sure you're still logged in. From your profile area, look for subscriptions. This is where Udemy keeps account-level plans and recurring payments. Find the plan you want to cancel. It might be labeled as a trial or a subscription. And then click either Cancel Trial or Cancel Subscription depending on what's shown. After you cancel, you should see a confirmation on the screen and often receive an email confirming the cancellation. That confirmation is useful to keep for your records in case of any billing questions later on. A few helpful tips while you're doing this. Check the billing cycle so you know whether cancellation takes effect immediately or at the end of the current period. If you're on a trial, cancel before the trial period ends to avoid charges. If you're archiving courses with the intent to return to them, make a note of which ones you archive so you can find them again under the Archive section or by searching your account. And finally, if anything doesn't look right or a charge appears after you cancel, reach out to Udemy support through their Help Center for clarification. That covers both removing a course from your learning view and canceling a subscription. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like if this helped you.